Like, I just sat here and I think about it, like, y'all actually got up, got to work on time, and you're at work performing efficiently. Like, that's a different kind of motivation because, and it's no shade to the 9 to 5 girls, but I don't think not even one fiber in my body is built for that. Like, I just sat here and I think about it, like, y'all actually got up, got to work on time, and you're at work performing efficiently. Like, that's a different kind of motivation because, and it's no shade to the 9 to 5 girls, but I don't think not even one fiber in my body is built for that.
Okay, boom, viewers, welcome back to the channel. Subscribers already know the thing set with bliss. You also know the story incomplete if minute upon a beat, and as you can see, upon on the screen, life did sweet for social media influencer Marky Markland. People putting at the comment section where you think about that because reality is really sinking in now. Yes, he has finally been transferred from New York to Atlanta, Georgia to answer his charges of, well, basically, you man, you know what, you see my people, yeah, selling the girl them front and them thing them, you feel me? Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, and that's just the icing on the cake. You know what I mean? But nevertheless, my people, a lot of people is saying he's in a worse spot. Because, you know, he was chilling on the cruise ship run, right? Because since December 28th, you know. I know them fling him all the way down to Atlanta, Georgia in a Fulton County jail. Who them say it's worse. You know what I mean? And it's definitely not a good look, my people. Rico is definitely pending, this man said, because, you know, said he needs a spot, right, to host these type of activities. This man said, my people, and you know, say, you already see the evictions and all of these stuff that, you know, he hasn't answered to. You know what I mean? So that's where the real estate thing come in on top of what you see in front of you. This is the charge right here. Trafficking a person for, you know, the you know, thing, servitude, and all of them things. And that is a felony charge, right? And the minimum, you know, you're facing 10 years. Now, if these people are unders, you know what, minors, you see, I say, you're going to be facing life, my people. You know what I mean? So, well, I know a lot of people is surprised because, you know, these people put on a good act, you know, out here upon the apps. You see, I say, but I'm here to tell you this, right? The people them that he was, you know what, against them will is cooperating with law enforcement because as you can see the date right there, the offense date is from 2000 and 2023. We're in 2000 and 2026 now, so you know, say the feds them have been doing their investigation, and if he is bringing these people across state lines, that's why you see the feds them involved. You know what I mean? Similar to Diddy case, you see me I say, 'cause you know Diddy did a fly man and woman all over to come do some things and some things that is not supposed to. You feel me? So the feds have been investigating, and you know this guy for at least 3 years now. So you know his friends have also been under surveillance. Listen, man, I said we're not going to call none of these, you know, females and males names. But if you don't want to put them in the comment section, you can. You know. Listen, man, I say, but me just giving them quick update, yeah. Well, go on for that squad. Because you know, if you're not far from me, you're not credible. His man say, and this is from the 14, as you can see, jail records for the one to search it up for yourself. Anyway, let's proceed to the next. Trending topic, me say, coming out of Jamaica, and it has to deal with Kizzy and Kiprich again. You know, Miss Chin is going in, no pun intended, pandem, you feel me? But a lot of people is saying Kizzy has a history of lying and robbing the internet for, you know, further gain, you know, like she, you know, not feeling well, then come back with body. I know people is finding contradictions with their story why them reach Colombia. You see me, I say, I know people saying a bag of things about the 250,000 US is for like tummy tuckings and all of this stuff. You see me, I say, so you know, she brought it up on the case and things. So let's hear what he has to say and we proceed.
Then come here and the old Kizzy and the baby and the something. Let me tell you something, Kiprich. Me gonna hear my honest opinion, Kiprich. I'm gonna hear what nobody in this wide world wants to say about me. Kiprich, you step out of the way now, because I not chat to you, boy. You step out of the way. Let me give my honest opinion now about Kizzy. Kizzy is a damn thief. Then Kizzy, you never tell me, say, when they on the app from before, when breed a showcase, say, when love it, and when buy this and buy the most expensive thing. I know when want money for baby, then all the money for the baby go. So what about the whole heap of people in a Jamaica where have the £1 picnic? How that go? Eh? How that go? And that me can't understand with the whole Kizzy something. Me no want nobody ask me about Kizzy. Where you say? Yeah. Let me tell you this. You see Kiprich, you might feel a way over what me I go say, but I care zero. Hear this. Kizzy have an history. She has an history of deceiving the internet. Me not pay one no mind. Before no breed, no rich. After the breed, after the baby not dead, the baby don't dead, and that is not the only £1 baby battling in Jamaica. Check the hospitals. Una too evil. Me not have nothing more to say. Me not have nothing more to say. Me know Kizzy come from far. Kizzy do all of them something a long time. Kizzy trick the internet mind man do her body, build house, buy car, a pair robbery Kizzy do. Me not tell no they should have breed another girl. It's another girl they should have breed, and then me that say, oh my God, but from your breed Kizzy, me not have nothing to say about it. Kizzy should have in a church and you should have in a church right now, thank God that the baby is alive when don't come out with money. You see, I don't want shot with shit, you know. Hold on, no one shot with shit. Don't forget, say Kizzy have a history for rob the internet. She has an history for robbing the internet, so me now look for Uno. Me now look for Uno. After I put in a day, before she breed, she rich. So why has Kiprich breed also? Eh? Why has Kiprich breed also? She broke. No, my love. No, my love. No. You have others out here who you and them share the same. Don't do that. Una never lobby yet for anybody else's child. So why if one wants so special? Oh God, give a message, a little Jesus. But now go tell no, like people out there might not satisfied with me and say, but your baby is alive. Be grateful. Be grateful. Kizzy has a reputation. You see, even if it's true, this is what you cause. You see, when you not sow certain things, you have to reap it in the long run. You have a reputation for rob the internet with sickness, illness, and all sorts of tragedy. You, Kizzy Dan, me not have nothing to say. Your picnic is alive. She don't need no money. She don't need no money. The baby is alive. The baby is alive and well and good. All the baby wants is prayer. What to the rich people? When you remember for prayer, did you stop to pray this morning? What to know? It doesn't matter if you want to move the baby, shift the baby, make the baby sick, and you don't have it. Don't the baby alright? The baby is okay. The baby is okay. Of course, GoFundMe replace prayer. The baby is okay. On the I tell you everything on the monetize. I never want to talk anything about people tend to forget who Kizzy is. Everything where Kizzy do is racketeering. Remember Kizzy cut off her head and said she depressed, you know? Kizzy cut off her head and said she depressed and interrupt the internet. And it's me come tell her say Kizzy is a wicked and evil. Where depression I go. And me come tell her after Kizzy busy at jog. A jog a morning time because she are going to surgery. She are going to do her body, oh no.
Yes, put in the comment section what you think about that. Like I said, I don't have no problems with nobody asking for assistance out here. As you can see, Spice donated $5,000 to Kizzy and Kiprich cards. It's a good look from the Queen of Dancehall. You see, my people. And if people like Biden and all of these people can do fundraising for, you know, their campaigns, like I said, dancehall artists, if they need assistance from whoever, they are allowed to do it. Put in the comment section what you think about that. Cause me say Uncle Danny come out what they say some people give him like $250 million for some things and things. You see me? But me just I give them a quick update while I go on for that to go on. You see my people, man, I realize I gotta log out this no longer and things. So do the right thing, my people. like and share my video them 1,000 times on our social media platforms and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. This is what I say. And then turn on the notification bell to be notified whenever I drop the latest in the dancehall news, music reviews, and gossips. Bless.